Hey guys, today we are going to be creating a stained glass drawing and then painting it in with watercolor. So the first step you have to do is decide what shape your window is going to be. It could be round, rectangular, it could have an arch or be an oval shape. For mine, I've decided to have a flat bottom, two straight sides, and a curved or arched top. After I've cleaned up the drawing, I'm going to add an additional border around the edge for some thickness. After I have my border done, I'm ready to decide what the central piece of my window will be. For mine, I've decided to do a peacock. I'm echoing the arch shape in the top with the small shape and then drawing the peacock as the center part of my drawing. Using my ruler, I'm creating line sections for the feathers and adding a circle pattern that repeats throughout the shape. With a stained glass window painting, you want to have large enough shapes to fill each with a different color. We will eventually outline all of this with black and then paint it in with layered watercolor. After I have my main shape in, I can fill in the remaining areas with a line pattern. I've chosen some wavy lines. Next, I'm ready to outline all of my pencil lines with a thick black marker. This step is called trace and erase because I trace all of my pencil lines and then erase any pencil lines left behind. Now I'm ready to paint. I've chosen a color palette of mostly blues, greens, and purples, which are cool colors. I'm going to use the same color scheme throughout my painting and repeat those colors in my patterns. I'm using a variety of blues, greens, and purples, mixing and layering them as I go. After I've filled in the entire stained glass window area, I need to let it dry, then I can make any further adjustments I'd like to make once it's dry. And now I have my painted stained glass window. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.